Hello guys, I am Arvind and this is continuation video of string and it is part 5. So guys, in this lecture I am going to discuss how can we convert lowercase string to the uppercase string. So let's go ahead. So guys, today we are going to learn how can we convert lowercase string to uppercase string using library function and without using library function. So let me just jump onto the Turbo C++ compiler. So let's go ahead. So guys, in this program you will learn how can we convert a lowercase string to the uppercase string by using a library function. So in this program we are using a library function and that is strupr, and this library function strupr is declared in string.h. And now in main function I have declared a character array of size 20, and now I am taking input from the user by using getS function, and then I am printing this lowercase string by using this printf function, and after that I am using strupr function. And now what I am gonna do is I will pass this lowercase string s to this strupr function, and obviously this strupr function will convert this lowercase string to the uppercase string, and then we can print this uppercase string by using this printf function. So now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter a string in lowercase. So let me enter the string and hit enter. So in the second statement it is printing the lowercase string C programming, and after that in the next statement it is printing the uppercase string. So guys, I hope it is clear to you. And now moving further guys, and I will show you how can we convert a lowercase string to the uppercase string without using library function. So let's go ahead. So guys, in this program you will learn how can we convert a lowercase string to the uppercase string without using library function. So in the main function I have declared a character array s of size 20 and an integer variable I that is initialized with the 0, and then I am taking input from the user by using getS function, and that will be stored to string s. After that I am printing this lowercase string by using this printf function. And here in this program I am using while loop to scan all the characters from the string s until I found null character. So guys, we are putting a condition here. If the alphabet is greater than or equals to 97, or we can say small a, and the alphabet is less than or equals to 122, or we can say small z, then we can subtract 32 from this alphabet and it will automatically convert to the uppercase. So let's take an example. So if you want to convert small a to capital A, so as we know that the ASCII value of small a is 97, so if we subtract 32 from this 97, so we will get 65, and that is the value of capital A. And guys, why I am putting this condition? Because we want to convert only those alphabets which are greater than or equals to small a or less than or equals to small z, and we don't want to convert any punctuation marks such as space. So let's take an example. So suppose if I have entered hello in lowercase and initially the value of I is 0. So now come to this while loop. So s of 0, that is small h, and h is not equal to null character, so this condition is true. So here we are again checking this condition. So s of 0, that is h, so the ASCII value of h is 104, so 104 greater than equals to 97, so this condition is true. And here we are checking one more condition here. So 104 is less than equals to 122, so it is also true. So true and true, it will give you true. So now we are subtracting 32 from 104, that will give you 72, and that is the value of capital H. And then I++ will be executed, so the value of I will be 1. So s of 1, that is E, so E is not equal to null, so this condition is also true. And here we are checking this condition again. So s of 1, that is E, the ASCII value of small e is 101, so 101 is greater than equals to 97, and 101 is less than equals to 122, so this condition will be true. So now we are subtracting 32 from this 101 and it will give you 69, and that is the value of capital E. And then I plus plus will be executed, so the value of I will be 2, and then s of 2, that is L, and L is not equal to null, so this condition is also true. Then we can check this condition again. So the ASCII value of L will be 108. So 108 greater than equals to 97 and less than equals to 122. So this condition will be true, and then we can subtract 32 from this 108 and that will give you 76, and then I plus plus will be executed, so the value of I will be 2, and so on. After that it will print the uppercase string by this printf function. So now if I run this program, it is requesting to enter the string in lowercase. So let me enter the string. So this will be the output of this program, and I hope it is clear to you guys, and thank you so much for watching this video. Just in case you liked it, do not forget to like and subscribe. I will see you then in the next video.